back. Today we are going to be figuring out how to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. So our general form for a quadratic is usually this. So this is our general form. So usually in an equation we have some number a times x squared plus some number times x plus a number c, which is going to be equal to 0. However, when completing the square, when we complete the square, we want our form to begin like this: ax squared plus bx with some number over here. Okay, so we are going to write our steps as we try to complete the square of this quadratic. X squared minus 8x plus 2. So x squared minus 8x plus 2, we want equals 0, right? We need an equation to solve. So we want it to look like this form here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. So now we have x squared minus 8x, and I'm going to leave a blank space here so I can complete my square. Okay, so once we move the constants to the other side, now we're going to add. Okay, so at this step, we're going to add whatever b over 2 squared would be equivalent to. So first we move the constant, then 2, we add b over 2 squared to both sides. So in this case, our b value equals 8. So here we're going to do negative 8, right? Divided by 2 squared. And then same over here, negative 8 divided by 2 squared. Okay, so therefore our new quadratic equation looks like this: x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals negative 2 plus 16. Right? And if you notice, this is a perfect square trinomial. Okay, so now I factor. So what multiplies to 16 adds to negative 4 is minus 4 minus 4. So this is really x minus 4 squared equals, and then of course I add negative 2 and 16. Now, last thing I do is I just solve by square roots. Oh yeah. So now I'm going to take the square root of both sides, because that's undoing a square. So now I technically have x minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 14. And of course, to solve for x, the last thing I'm going to do is add 4 to both sides. Therefore, I get x equals 4 plus or minus root 14. And of course, I'm writing my solution as a set. So I'm going to have 4 minus the root 14 and 4 plus root 14. And done.